This is something that's really common among Arab men.
What does it mean for most people that wear it, for example?
When you put it on, what do you first think of?
Oh,
Yeah.
oh man.
We're getting deep.
Dude, Pikes, this is your leader, Pikes, right here. This is the man. Bro, that's the second time you used that representation word. That's a very high level word. Just want to point that out because you're Korean, so you're going to use those high level words. All right. All right, so listen, can you show these guys? I think you guys have to put it on. And can you show them how to put it on? How you apply it? Here, I'll hold it. I got it.
Oh, thank you.
That's going to be on. You put a little bit on your pants. That'll be on there forever, bro. You won't have to wash those ever.
Like, do girls be like on you over that, John?
That's a good question. You should find out since you have it on now.
Yeah. What we're doing is we're trying to just share things, different cultures, different perspectives, different things, like learn some things, right? Really engage one another. So this is something really, really special. Smell that. You got that? Dude, it's not hashish, all right?
Interesting.
You got it? How's that? This is really nice stuff, by the way. This is from.
I saw your misbah as well.
Yeah. Yeah. I forget. I think that I got this in the Emirates in Dubai. Listen, so this is something that's really common among Arab men. Okay? Like really common. Like if you go to an event with the Arab Student Association, the Khaliji Student Association, this smell right here, if you're like the event is in Alumni Hall, when you're like halfway across the hub, you're going to start smelling this stuff, all right? Because all the men they're all wearing this, and it's really pungent. So what you need to do, the two of you, is I want you to just find out about this from Ibrahim. So just ask him questions.
Okay, then, well, here's one question. How did it become so popular?
Do you have a response to that?
I feel like it's unique. When you smell it, I feel like all of you would, like, if you smell it, it would be like something new to you. Mm-hmm. It's really nice. It smells nice.
How do you pronounce it in Arabic?
Oud.
Oud. Wait.
Oud. Oud.
Oud?
Oud.
Bro, Luke, right? Try it.
Old.
You're not even close, my friend. Say it again, and D, you try it.
All right, go for it.
Oud.
Oat.
Close.
Yeah.
Oud.
Oat.
Ode.
Oat.
Dude, you got it. How was it? That was pretty good, right? Okay, bro, you have a question for him?
Do you wear it every day?
No, on like special occasions, I'd say. Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
What does it mean for most people that wear it, for example?
Dude, that's a brilliant question. See, you're going to have to top that, my friend. That's not going to be easy. Just think about this, right? That's a brilliant question. So, all right, go ahead, man.
I feel like it's a cultural thing and also formal, and at least in Kuwait. So like we'd put oud for if I'm going to a wedding or like, like something special, not just like a everyday thing, I guess.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
I got one.
All right.
When you put it on, what do you first think of?
Oh,
Yeah.
oh man.
We're getting deep.
Dude, Pikes, this is your leader, Pikes, right here. This is the man. Like, All right, go ahead.
Honestly, I think of my grandfather.
Yeah?
Yeah, I think of my
How so?
grandfather. Yeah. Puts it on a lot, so.
Yeah, so how?
Yeah.
Okay, go ahead. There's a follow-up to that. No, there's a follow-up to your question.
There is.
He just said, I think of my grandfather.
Okay.
So, and then come up with a follow-up from that.
What did you and your grandfather do that made you reminded of that smell?
Dude, nice. Okay, that's nice. Yeah.
Well, anytime I'd like hug him or be next to him, I'd smell the oud.
Dude, you
Yeah.
could be 20 feet away from him probably.
Yeah,
and smell it.
yeah, that's true.
When did you start wearing it?
I don't even remember. Like, I was young, probably. Because my parents would also, like, give me oud, I guess, when I was younger.
Yeah, so go ahead.
Yeah.
Say that again.
I said my parents used to put it on me as well when I was young. So,
Okay.
like, if we were going out or something. Yeah.
Okay. All right.
Have there ever been like people that don't like it when you're wearing it out? Like they give you like, they're like, what's that smell? You know?
Actually, no. It's always like, where'd you get that from? Like, if I go into, like, an Uber or a bus.
Here,
Oh, yeah,
like
in the
outside
US.
of Kuwait or outside of the
No,
Gulf.
in Kuwait, there's, like, no reaction.
Yeah,
But
yeah.
here, yeah, I always get something when I'm out. Every
Yeah.
time.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Do you think this perfume of yours really has a specific representation for you specifically, or not really?
No, I wouldn't say so. No.
Bro, that's the second time you used
But-
that representation word. That's a very high level word. Just want to point that out because you're Korean, so you're going to use those high level words. All right. Go ahead, man.
How much does it sell for and where can you get it?
Oh, awesome question, man.
Honestly, prices differ, but depends on the size as well. I'd say it ranges from like $30 up to $200, $300.
Even for something like this.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Is this your go-to like cologne?
No.
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 What's your go-to cologne?
It's a local Kuwaiti perfume, right? Yeah.
Can we compare?
Have it on me here.
Oh, you have it on you?
No test.
Whoa. Dude, come here and smell that. Yeah. Yeah. Yeah, like right in here. Right in there. It's really heavy.
Sorry, man.
Yeah.
Oh, that's strong.
It's nice, right? It's cool, right? Dude, check out your next Pike party. You'll be the man. You know what I mean? Bring Ibrahim along to your next party. And D-Dog here. You'll be rocking.
I got you a whole new house of customers, man.
Yeah, oh, totally. All right, so listen, can you show these guys? I think you guys have to put it on. And can you show them how to put it on? How you apply it? Yeah. Yeah. All right. So watch this, gentlemen.
Put it here. Right. Just close it. Take that. And then just mix it here. Apply it here. Just do that. You're good.
All right, man. Here you go. We'll start with you. Put a nice bit of it on, man.
Trying to smell good tonight.
Whoa. Okay. Hey, all right.
This is coming over.
All right. Okay. I'll take. Hang on. I'll take that. Go ahead. To use your other, get both your wrists up there on your neck, like really rub it in.
All right, let's give it a shot.
Go ahead. You put some on your wrists, Mom. Here, I'll hold it. I got it.
Oh, that. Thank you.
That's gonna be on. That's you put a little bit on your pants. That'll be on there forever, bro. You won't have to wash those ever. You got it on your wrist?
Try to get him on my wrist.
Okay, go ahead. Okay, put it up here. Whoa, man. Dude, I know you're dying to smell this. Dude, smell that.
I'm cool.
Pretty good.
I want to smell
We're
it.
coming on.
I got you. Want me to put it on?
Yeah, you can smell it, man. Yeah, we're going to put it on you too, by the
All
way.
right, bet we got it.
You got it? All right, man, put it on. You be the man. Dude, you be the man. All right. So it's pretty cool, right? Like it's a thing. And you, like for me, when I smell this, like I'll smell it in different places, and I like, all right, man, there's an Arab men around. Usually, not always, because there's some people like me. You like it, bro? Dude, there you go. There's another cut. Bro, you start selling this stuff wholesale here, that's your first customer right there, man.
You think like the scent, like you be pulling from it, like you think you be getting like, like do it make you like do girls be like on you over that, John? That's a good.
Question, though. That's a good question. All right. What do women
bitches
say?
on you,
Like, do you have to wear this stuff? Do you wear this? Or will women be like, dude, where's your oud?
No, not really. I don't think.
Wait, hang on.
I said no, not really. That's a good question. You should find out since you have it on now.
Yeah.
What is in that oil that makes the smell so strong?
Oh, can you go to the next slide? The tree, the Aquilaria, is from Southeast Asia, so Cambodia, Vietnam, Indonesia, and the agar wood see that little sap there right in the center? So the tree will get a fungus, and when the tree gets a fungus, it produces this sap, and the sap is actually the agar wood, and the agar wood is the oud. Yeah, so it's really expensive. So you can force the sap to get the tree to get a fungus, but that's like fake oud. You got to get the real stuff is going to be when it gets the fungus naturally.
Is there anything about this that's like specific to how it's made, that's native to your people, that's different from other colognes or perfumes?
Oh no, I think they're all the same. They're all the same.
Yeah, people around the world really. It's just that Arabs. Like sense of it's really a big part of Arab culture, right? Yeah. So I've spent a lot of time in the Middle East, in Kuwait, in the Emirates, in Qatar. A lot of time in the Qatar, probably 8 times, 9 times. Iraq. Everywhere I go, it's just part of the culture, like the scent, you know? Yeah. Somebody else. Dude.
So you said that that the scent reminds you of your grandfather, right? Is it because every time you'd see your grandfather, he'd have the scent on, or is it that the older generation tends to like use it a lot more than the younger generation?
Dude, that is an even more of a brilliant question than Luke's question. That's such a cool question.
Honestly, both. So like the older generation would put it on more often than we would. And then at the same time, every time I visit my grandfather, I'd recognize the scent.
Yeah. That's cool.
Is it like stolen valor if you wear it and you're not Arab?
Oh, if you're not Arab,
yeah.
Can you
like
wear this?
Is my man over there gonna get in trouble for wearing it?
Is he gonna like? Are these two guys, for example, like
No, they're not. They're not gonna get in trouble.
Yeah, you're good to go. See that?
All right. Yeah. I got a question. Do you look down on guys that don't wear it?
Oh no,
dude, another good question. Yeah, you don't?
No, but I feel like for us, smelling good is important. So
yeah.
What's the difference in what makes a good oud versus a bad quality?
Yeah, that's a really good question. You go when you're in the souks, for example, in different places in the Arab world, right? Souk means it's market, right? And you go to these places where the perfumerías, like in Spanish you would say that, but they're mixing all of the scents up, the fragrances, the perfumes, and the colognes. And it's so cool, to go in. And the person, it's what they do, right? They're like this amazing cook, like a chef. And they just put this kind of magical, and you can get your own scent, like one just specially for you. And And it just makes it special in that way.
All right, so like you know how he said that like if you didn't like with the fungus and all that, like that's the authentic version of it. Like, can you tell the difference between like the authentic version or the bad or the fake one? Like, and if you can, like, would you like be bidding on people if they had the fake one?
No, I wouldn't be able to tell, to be honest.
Really?
Yeah, not at all. No, not me. Maybe my parents or like the older generation. I think they'd be able to like different. Yeah. So yeah.
Okay.
Is there a similar scent for women tradition?
Yeah, it's actually oud is like even like it's for everyone. I guess.
Yeah, it's for everyone.
Unisex. Yeah.
It's just men. This one is particularly strong. There are a lot of fragrances. Gentlemen, so let me smell you. All right. Dude, you're done. Thanks, man. Thanks, bro. You're done. Thanks, bro. You're done. You're good. It's the first day of class. I just did that. So you see, like, you know, when you volunteer, you're not, there are no gotcha things. What we're doing is we're trying to just share things, different cultures, different perspectives, different things, like learn some things, right? Really engage one another. And in many ways, the most important thing that happens in this class is that we humanize one another. Like, you know, we're really just talking to each other about lots of different things, man. And that's what it is. That's what this is all about.